Fix in 5. P0275. P0275 means the engine computer detected excessive voltage at fuel inject. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Cylinder 1 misfire at idle and under load, verify with OBD2 scanner live misfire counter, rough idle and hesitation on acceleration, verify with test drive, note RPM range 800 to 2000 mil illuminated, amber check engine light, verify with OBD2 scanner freeze frame data, poor fuel economy, 5 to 15% increase, verify with fuel consumption calculation over 100 kilometers. Now the most likely causes. Corroded or loose fuel injector connector, contact resistance typically 0.5 to 2.0 ohms, above 5 ohms triggers fault. Damaged wiring harness, cylinder 1 injector circuit, open circuit or short to ground in the injector power or ground wire. Faulty fuel injector solenoid, cylinder 1, internal resistance typically 12 to 14 ohms, out of range values cause circuit fault. Here's how a pro pins it down. 1. Check for additional codes. 2. Visually inspect connectors and wiring. 3. Test the spark. 4. Test the injector. 5. Compression test. 6. Perform a balance test. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 120 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 240 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace fuel injector cylinder 4. Clean fuel injector if clogging is suspected, fuel system cleaner additive trial. Inspect and repair fuel injector electrical connector. Replace fuel injector wiring harness if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0275? Driving with P0275 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0275. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.